All right, guys, right now we're going to go look at this 2013 Cascadia. It's about an hour and 15 minutes from my house. I figured I'd go closer. Yeah, it's looks pretty good in the pictures. We'll see what happens. It says it's been rebuilt 130,000 miles ago, so let's find out. All right, guys, my nerves are shot, but here I am. I've decided to only drive the maximum of 80 miles since, I went to Chicago and got screwed over. So here we go. We're going to look at another truck. I'm not really fond of recording while doing this because, I'm new at all this, but let's see if... Apparently it's on the left, so... It is windy out here, guys. What is all over my truck? Oh, well. So there she is right there. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna park right beside her. It doesn't look like that dude's here. So I hate to park in front of their door. Here she be. Oh, very good tires all the way around. I hope they're not recaps though. How do you know if they're recaps? Anybody know? No APU. They got some of the stuff here. Looks like that's done. Seen better days. No mud flaps. Intermittent axle. Don't look bad. Good rubber. Mirror's busted. Yeah. Is that where the battery box is? There's the batteries there. Oh, it's got an APU on it. I bet it don't work. Well, the other truck looked better in condition than this, but you never know. I'm gonna sit in the truck and wait till he gets here. Alright guys, so I just went and looked at it. Damn good runner. You can tell it's been rebuilt. Newer head on it. I was playing in the mud. I was out here filming and he walked up on me. He said, "Can I help you with something, sir?" I was like, "Oh crap, man." He's like, "Listen, I'm a goofball." Real good guy. Biggest problem with that truck is it's been deleted. Check engine lights on. It's been deleted so bad that he didn't, but the guy that deleted it took everything off. So, yeah, one of them deals. I can't do that. Like, I need to undelete it. You know what I mean? And how much is that? 12 grand? Nice truck, runs good, sounds good. I offered him 30 on the spot because he had an extra that box. He had an extra one that I could slap on there, just to pass the things. But he wouldn't take 30. He said them things all day go for more than that. The inside was ragged, trashed, for something that only had 800,000 miles. Yeah, it's trash. Or I'm sorry, it had 1 million. It had like about the same amount as that truck I looked at yesterday. I am highly caffeinated. Yeah, guys. So the search continues. I think I'll hit this guy up with this first truck. If you haven't seen that video, link somewhere around here, or just look on my channel. I think I'll just hit him up and tell him I'll give him 27, and that's it. If he don't take it, he don't take it. I still got that Columbia to go look at sometime, probably not until Sunday, which worries me because it's all the way up in Chicago and I don't want to go to Chicago, but I'm trying to keep everything local around here. So I'm gonna stop at this store up here and shoot, I don't even where I'm at right now. I think this is the way I came in. Yeah, okay. But yeah, I'm gonna stop up here somewhere and get on there and see if I can find something else. But yeah, that truck ran great. It sounded great. It was an automatic. It was just kind of, it needed cleaned up inside. He said as the first guy to come look at it, I offered him 30. So you never know. With 30, it's got brand new tires on it, except for the front right steer tire was pretty chippy. I don't know. I'm talking a lot. So yeah, guys, it's just part of the journey. This first truck will make or break me. I mean, just starting out. So wish me luck and all that stuff. I got my mechanic buddy who, I mean, he knows just as much about it as I do. You know what I mean? Like, I used to be a lube tech for dump trucks. Yeah, I know, get it. But I've always done my own stuff on cars and stuff. Like, it's always been me who's, you know, replaced the screen filter in the transmission, who's, you know, took the starter off, you know, replaced the starter, fuel injectors, intake gaskets. Never done head gaskets. I've never got deep into the engine, but I've done everything on the outside of it. So I got an idea of what things should look like. Plus, you know, I've helped diagnose crap on the side of the road with other companies, like, you know, with stuff going on. So I'm not, I don't know. I'm not trying to sound cocky by no means. I'm just saying I know I'm not the typical lazy truck driver that don't want to touch their truck. You know what I mean? Like, and I'm not saying any of you guys are either. I'm sure you're not. I mean, and that's another thing too. I'm gonna buy an alternator, a starter, a water pump, and a couple other things to just keep them handy, along with all the belts and hoses. But roundabouts. How about a roundabout? How about another roundabout? That's Carmel, Indiana. You go to Carmel, Indiana, roundabout city. I tell you what, all right, as soon as you're coming out of a roundabout, you go into another one. I just asked anybody that knows anything about Carmel, Indiana. But anyways, yeah, like, I know what it should sound like, and I know what the oil should look like, and the coolant should look like, and you know what the brakes should look like, and what it should sound like, the air leak, you know, like air leaks and stuff, like, and what it should feel like when you're taking off. And that one that I looked at to begin with was, other than the suspension in the front feeling kind of sloppy, which somebody said it could be bushings. Yeah, that's exactly what it is. I guarantee it. So, again, I'm rambling again. Hey guys, hit like if you think I ramble too much. All right. Hell, just stay tuned to this video. I'll add some more stuff maybe. Well, that's it, guys. Stay tuned. Subscribe.